Break upon us, more and more people are heading to the beach, but following the hurricanes last year, not all beach towns look the same.
That's right. All this week, 8 is on your side, showing you the conditions and a lot of the popular spots on Holmes Beach and Anna Maria Island. Most businesses say they are ready for the crowds. Turning now to 8 on your side's Beth Rousseau live in Holmes Beach with the current status. Good morning.
Hey, good morning. So up and down Anna Maria Island, all of the leaders say that they're just about back to full operations for the first time since the storms. Now, good news for spring breakers. All the beach access points in Holmes Beach, they are open, ready to be used. They're hoping this will draw a lot of folks as businesses work to get back on their feet. On the beaches of Anna Maria Island, it's tough to tell back-to-back hurricanes hit the area less than a year ago.
We've probably lost 95% of our businesses just from the flooding. We had 3 feet of water pretty much everywhere.
Judy Titsworth, mayor of Holmes Beach, says they've been hard at work since October dealing with the aftermath of flooding.
We still have some shops and maybe a couple restaurants that aren't back open. Some of our motel units that are on the ground floor still aren't open.
Titsworth tells us room capacity could be slightly limited as some hotels continue repairs. Tourists might notice other small symptoms of the storm.
We're not quite as put together as we were last year, but we're getting there. Our parks are back open. People who love the pickleball, tennis. Our baseball field was used as a debris site, so that's not ready, nor is our soccer field.
According to Titsworth, businesses are hoping for the usual large crowds.
We are ready for visitors. The restaurants, the businesses, they're counting on it. The businesses really took a hit, so they are definitely relying on our visitors to return.
She has only one other message for those returning to the area.
Enjoy your spring break and enjoy that sun.
So you can get out on the beach, soak up some sun. All the beach access points in Holmes Beach, they are open, ready for use. The mayor tells me that she believes everybody on Anna Maria Island will be back up to full operations come the end of the year. We're live in Holmes Beach this morning. Beth Russo, 8 on your side.